In this video, I'll show you how you can start investing into your Charles Schwab Roth IRA today. In this part of the video, I'll show you how you can open up a Roth IRA account with Charles Schwab. The first thing I did was Google Charles Schwab Roth IRA, and then you should see a link that looks like this. It should be named "What is a Roth IRA?" And I'll also leave a link in the description so you can get it there. But on this page, you'll see here, it will just list the different features of a Roth IRA. And then you want to go ahead and click on Open a Roth IRA option there. And then from here, it'll give you another page with a little bit more info, but you want to go ahead and click Get Started. And from there, you can fill out all the different info here. So it'll be like first name, last name, and email. And you just want to make sure you go all the way to the end and you'll be able to create your Roth IRA. In the next part of this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money into your Roth IRA so you can start buying stocks and investing.
Once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on Move Money and then click on Online Transfers here. Once you're on this page, you see there's an option to link an external account. Select that and then click Continue. And you'll see here, I already have 2 accounts connected, but if you want to connect a new account, click on this Add Account button. And then from here, you want to select your Charles Schwab account that you want to connect an external account to. So in my example, I'll go ahead and click on the Roth account. And then here, I'll click Continue and click Continue. And then from here, you want to select whether it's a checking or savings account. And I'll go ahead and select savings and then click yes here. And you'll see here that you'll be able to add your routing and account numbers. And once you do that, you should be good to go. Once you've connected your account, go ahead and click on Move Money and click on Online Transfer. And it should bring you back to this page. Click on the Cash Only option. And then from here, you can select the external account that you just connected. So in this example, I'll go ahead and select one of my checking accounts. And then here, I'll click on Individual. And then here, I'll just go ahead and put in $1 as an example. And you can click Continue. And once you're at this screen, you'll be able to see the summary of how much you're transferring and from which account that it's coming from and which account it's going to. And once you're ready, you can click Submit.
In the next part of this video, I'll show you how you can buy stocks in your Roth IRA.
Once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on this Trade button and then click on Stocks and ETFs. Once you're at the screen, you want to make sure here you select the account that you want the stock to go into. So here, I'll go ahead and click on my Roth IRA. And from there, you can enter the symbol of the stock. So in this example, I'll use JETS. And once I click on that, you want to go ahead and click on Buy and then click on Market. And this will show you how much the total amount is. Once you click on Review Order, you can see here, this is a confirmation page on how much it will cost. And once you're ready, you can hit Place Order.
In this last part of the video, I'll show you how you can set up automatic investments within your Roth IRA.
Once you're logged in, you then want to click on Trade and then click on Automatic Investing. You might see a screen similar to this, and what this means is that you currently don't have any mutual funds that can be set up for automatic investing. All that means is that you have to buy at least 1 share of the mutual fund that you're trying to set up automatic investments for. So here, I'll go over to my Roth IRA. And you can see here, I have this mutual fund here, so I'm able to enroll into the automatic investing. Once you have at least 1 share of the mutual fund, you should be able to enroll here. And then from there, you can put the specified amount. You can put how often you want it to be bought. Then here, I'll go ahead and put 1st of May. And then from there, you can also choose whatever day you would like. Then go ahead and click Continue. And here's the final confirmation page. You just want to make sure you have the amount correct and also the date. And then from there, you can click Submit.
Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.